In this problem, we're going to look at how to construct a confidence interval for mean given summary data. So we don't have a data set. We're just given that the mean incubation period is 5 days, and we have a standard deviation of 15.1 days, and this comes from a sample of 87 subjects. In StatCrunch, we're going to go to T-stat. So something to kind of keep in mind as you're working through here, anything proportion stat or proportion will be proportion stat. Anything to deal with mean or means is T-stat. So just kind of associate T-stat with mean. We have one sample and we have a summary of the data. In this package, we just need to enter what was the sample mean. So the sample mean was 5 days. The sample standard deviation was 15.1. And the sample size was 87. Once those are entered into the correct boxes, we're going to select confidence interval. We're going to make sure that the level down here matches our problem, 95%, so 0.95, and then press compute. From this package, it will give us what the sample mean was. More importantly, it gives us the lower limit and the upper limit for the interval. So the lower limit here to 2 decimal places would be 1.78, and the upper limit would be 8.22. And then remember, when we are interpreting the confidence interval, there are some key things that we're going to look for. We're going to look for the word confidence or confident. That eliminates C. We don't talk about probability. Second, it needs to talk about the true population proportion. So that is, in this case, the mean, I'm sorry, not proportion, but mean, the mean incubation period. And then last, that it is inside the interval, so that it lies between the upper and lower limits. So that would be B.